Okay.
Hello, everybody. This is my friend Ricky.
Your friend?
Yeah, my friend Ricky.
Your brother?
Yeah, my brother. But next time when he grows up, he can play Legos with me.
And how old is Licky?
1 month.
Almost 2 months. And how are you? How old are you?
5.
What? Do you like Licky?
Yeah.
Okay, he will cry.
Please.
Then sorry.